Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will cover Vizag Steel Management Training 2012 paper. This is part 3. Question is, a solid cylinder surface 2 is located at the center of a hollow sphere surface 1. The diameter of sphere is 1 meter, while the cylinder has a diameter and length of 0.5 meter each. The radiation configuration factor F11 is how much? A solid cylinder of surface 2 located at the center of a hollow sphere of surface 1. Hollow sphere located inside a hollow sphere of surface 1. This is surface 2, here hollow sphere surface 1. The diameter of the sphere D1 is 1 meter. Radius is 0.5 meter. Then cylinder diameter D2, length also same. This is D2, this is length. 0.5 meter. The radiation configuration factor we have to calculate. F22 is 0, F21 is 1. We have to calculate F11. First surface area we have to calculate. A1 4 pi r square, or here r1 square, 4 pi into 0.5 into 0.5. Then A2 for cylinder 2 into pi by 4, here D2 square plus pi d into height is L or L2. Put the value. So A2 we will get pi into 0.5 square. A1 into F12, A2 into F21. So F12 equal to A2 by A1, F21 is 1. Already told F21 is 1. Divided by A1 is 4 pi 0.5 square. 1 by 4 0.25. So F11 plus F12 equal to 1. We have to calculate F11. 1 minus F12. F12 we already got. 1 minus 0.25. So 0.75 is the answer. From option C is the answer. Little bit time taking. The mechanism used in a shaping machine: single slider crank chain, second inversion and third inversion. Second and third inversion both were used in shaping machine, single slider crank chain. For shaping machine, for second one and third one, you can get different inversions we are using in shaping machine. For single slider, if you fix this one, second one, you will get shaping machine mechanism, and in second case if you fix third one, again you will get shaping machine mechanism. What is the approximate percentage change in the life of a tool T with zero rack angle used in orthogonal cutting when its clearance angle alpha is changed from 10 degree to 7 degree? Clearance angle to avoid rubbing action. So clearance angle increases the tool life, but here it's decreasing, so tool life will decrease. A not possible, C also not possible. Either B or C will be the answer. B or D. So most probably B is the answer. Zojila Pass in which state? Answer is Jammu Kashmir. For different passes in different states, I already made one video for different passes. You can watch that one. So Jammu Kashmir Zojila Pass. For some important GK things, I already made some videos. 6 to 7 videos are there. You can check them. From my playlist you will get them. GK playlist. Question is, A can do a piece of work in 16 days, B in 24 days. With the help of a boy, they finish it in 8 days. The boy will do it alone in how many days? So part method we will do. A in 16 days, B in 24 days. The boy let it be C. So take the LCM, 48 parts, 16 by 48, 48 by 16, 3 parts. A can do 3 parts per day, and B can do 48 by 24, 2 parts per day. With the help of a boy, so A plus B plus C, they will finish in 8 days. So per day they will finish 6 parts. Here 3 plus 2 is 5 parts, total is 6 parts. A plus B plus C is 6 parts, and A plus B is 3 plus 2, 5 parts. So C will 1 part. So 1 into 48. Let the boy do it alone in X days. So 48 by X equal to 1 part. This is part. And X equal to 48 by 1. So 48 days. This is the answer. Within 30 seconds you can answer this question. Question is, which letter group is different from the other three? AE, RIE, ADE, UX, ADMIT, ABUSE. So A is 5, A is 1, E is 5, then R, like this you have to do. Is equal to 38, sorry. Then like this B, C, D you have to calculate. So if you do, you will get the additions 38, 55, 47 and 48. From here this is the prime number, so this will be the answer. If anyone getting different answer, please comment. I think C will be the answer because this is the prime number. Ram ranks 16th from the top and 15th from the bottom in a certain examination. How many students are there in the class? Direct formula. So here let this is the place of Ram, this side top, this side bottom. So 16th from top, from this side Ram's place is 16th, and from bottom Ram's place is 15th. Total formula is total number of students is from top plus bottom minus 1, because Ram repeats 2 times. From top also if you calculate, Ram will come, and from bottom again Ram will come. So 16 plus 15 minus 1, 31 minus 1, 30. Is the answer. Simple. Within 15 seconds you can answer this question. Choose the antonym of the given word. Limpid. Antonym is opaque. Liquid and transparent. A and C, these are synonyms. This question it will take little bit time, but if your aptitude part is strong, then you can solve in less time. A turbocharged 4-stroke direct injection diesel engine has a displacement volume of 0.0259 meter cube, 25.9 liters. The engine has an output of 950 kilowatt at 2200 rpm. The mean effective pressure in megapascal is closest to how much? So displaced volume Vs 0.0259 meter cube. Output is 950 kilowatt or watt done per second. RPM N is 2200 RPM. We know watt done equal to PM into Vs. We have to calculate PM. PM equal to watt done by Vs. So watt done first we have to calculate. Watt done is 950, it's in kilowatts, so 10 to the power 3 divided by 2200. If you solve this one, you will get 25909.09. This is in RPM, so you have to multiply 60. This is 2200 RPM, you have to multiply 60 here, then you will get this one. So then put the value. PM equal to mean effective pressure is 25909.09 divided by 0259. So finally in MPa we have to calculate, so divided by 10 to the power 6. Finally you will get your answer 1 point something. So B is the answer. It's 1.00003 megapascal. B is the answer. Little bit time taking. This question also again it will take more time, and that to calculation also require. Without calculator little bit difficult. Data given are: a solid circular shaft of diameter 100 mm is subjected to an axial stress of 50 MPa. It is further subjected to a torque of 10 kilonewton meter. The maximum principal stress experienced on the shaft is closest to how much? So data given D is 100 mm axial stress, sigma x 50 MPa or Newton per mm square, torque 10 into 10 to the power 3. This is in kilonewton meter, so you multiply 10 to the power 3 Newton meter. Maximum principal stress sigma 1 we have to calculate. First torque value given, so tau s or shear stress we have to calculate first. T equal to pi by 16 tau s dq. Tau s is 16t by pi dq. Put the value 16 into 10 into 10 to the power 3. This is Newton meter. So you convert it into Newton into mm. Again you multiply 10 to the power 3. You will get pi into dq 100 to the power 3 means 10 to the power 6. You will get 16 into 10 by pi. It's approximately 48 Newton per mm square. So next sigma 1 you have to calculate. Sigma 1 formula is sigma x plus sigma y by 2 plus or minus sigma x minus sigma y by 2 whole square tau xy whole square. This type of questions I already solved in ISRO paper. You can check them. Sigma y not given here, so sigma y is 0. 50 by 2 plus or minus, direct you write 25 square. Sigma x is 50 by 2 25 square plus tau xy. Shear stress we got 48 square root over. So 25 plus sigma 1 we have to calculate, major principal stress. So sigma 2 not required, or this minus is not required. 25 plus 25 square plus 48 square. 48 you take it as 50. Approximation method you have to use. 25 square is 625 plus 50 square is 2500 root over. So 25 plus 3125 root over. 3125, it will come around 55. 60 square is 3600, 50 square is 2500, so it will come around 55. This one 55 plus 25, so you will get around 80 MPa. So approximately 82, B is the answer. This type of question, it's better to skip this type of questions. If you skip within this time, you can solve 2 questions. 2 easy questions you can solve. You can save your time also. Because in 150 minutes you have to answer 200 questions. So time factor is very, very important. A project has 6 activities A to F with respective activity duration 7, 5, 6, 8, 4 days. The network has 3 paths A, B, C, D and E, F. All the activities can be crashed with the same crash cost per year per day. The number of activities that need to be crashed to reduce the project duration by 1 day. 1 day duration you have to reduce. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So A, B, then C, D, then E, F. Write the durations. Durations are A 7 days, B 5 days, C 6 days, D 6 days, E 8 days, F 4 days. So all are taking same path, same time. 8 plus 4, 12, 7 plus 5. All three are taking same time. So if you do crossing, you have to cross all the three networks, three paths. So number of activities that need to be crossed to reduce the project duration by 1 day. So all three paths are critical paths. So you have to cross, number of activities is 3. Critical path project duration is 12 days. You have to reduce by 1 day. So within 11 days you have to fix. You have to finish the project. So if you cross EF, then others they will take 12 days. So same time you have to cross all three. Then only you will get 11 days. So C is the answer. Quality screw threads are produced by A. Thread milling, B. Thread changing, C. Thread cutting with single point tool, D. Thread casting. B is the answer. Thread changing. This question is directly from K.L. Kumar Fluid Mechanics book. A static fluid can have normal stress and shear stress. Normal stress is non-zero and shear stress is 0. So from option you have to check. Non-zero germ, 0 shear stress, 0 shear stress. This is not possible. This one also not possible. But negative normal stress and positive normal stress. Normal stress, static fluid, so it's negative normal stress and 0 shear stress. B is the answer. For Olympics and India also, I made one separate video from GK playlist. You can get that one. That time London Olympic 2012. So Geeta Kumari is the answer. But this time you won't get this type of question. You will get question from 2016 Olympic or 2020 Olympic. It's Tokyo. Place is Tokyo. Remember this one. Or based on question 2016 Olympic. Already I made videos for 2016 Olympic. You can check it. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.